so now we'll be doing an unboxing for the X2 ANYCUT KNC91, the key cutting machine. We'll be showing all the accessories inside and show you how to do some initial settings before you can actually get the machine. So first we have our paperwork, the packing list, the QC card, and the start guide. Please mention all the initial settings will be listed in this guide. The listing in this guide, and we will show all the specifications and accessories inside. Okay, so we have a power cord, a power adapter, a hex wrench, I'll just keep it here because we need to use it later, and more hex wrenches, a brush, several screws, we'll leave it here, and also 2 jaws. This is K1, and this is K2. Also, we'll be having several cutters and probes, and also a calibration bra. We'll be taking a 1.51, a probe, and we'll be taking this machine. Yeah. Okay, so you can see it has a protection frame here. Before we doing anything, we must take this before. Before taking this, do not turn on the machine. Do not try to charge the device. We have to take this out. Take this out before all the operations. We need to take this head, to take this larger hex wrench. Find these 2 screws, and then take the screws out. This one. Those 2, and also there's one under. We need to take a smaller hex wrench. I need to take it out and frame it up. Then we need to take one of the probes, and one of the cutter. Take these small screws. We just take 2 of them. Just on here. And we take the probe in the left cylinder.
take the screws inside, small screws. And then we take this. Make sure this matches this. The screw hole inside, and take this. Take another screw inside. Make sure the probe is a little bit higher. A little bit higher than the cutter right now. Then we can install the jaw inside. We'll be choosing K2 jaw here. Make sure the A side is up. If it is not up, pull it and change the sides. Slide it in, and we'll take this piece back. Make sure the flat side is up, and it stick inside the groove. Okay, so now we can turn on the device. Turn on the machine. Okay, so now the device is on. We still need to do a calibration here. So the cutter height adjustment, we'll be using side K2, jaw K2. So make sure that it is already installed. So we click next. So now we just simply loosen this screw. And then pull this probe down until it touches the surface of the jaw. Okay, so now check. So we are using 1.5 cutter here, so we'll be just clicking 1.5, and now we're all set. You can just cut the keys later. You can just cut the keys with our machine.